Welcome to our channel, The Clear Maths, where you can clear all your doubts. So, I hope it will help you to find the HCF by using the Euclid's division algorithm. This is 10th class mathematics, a real number chapter. So, in CBSE as well as state board also there. Now, we can see there are first question in the 1.1 exercise. There are three bits in the first problem. Problem number 1. Now, so how to find the HCF for 135 and 225? 135, 225. To find this, we do the division. The big number we divide by the small number. So, is a solution. In these two numbers, the biggest number is 225. So, this I am dividing by 135. It is divided by 1 times. So, 135 subtraction 0, 12 minus 3, 9 will come here. 0, 90 is there. Here 225 is called dividend. This is a dividend, is a divisor, this is a quotient, is a remainder. Okay, we call that. Now we have the division algorithm formula. Dividend is equal divisor into quotient plus a remainder. This is a division algorithm. Clear? So this is a division algorithm. Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. So if you multiply 135 into quotient and add the remainder, we get the 225. Okay, you can try. So next, after completing the division of first step, so this remainder we are taking as a quotient. So this divisor 135, right here 135. Now dividing by 90, the 135 it is divides one time. So 90 subtraction, it will come 45. Okay. So in first case, in this case, I am 225 is my dividend. Divisor is 135 into quotient plus remainder. So 135 plus 90, 225. Now in the second case, second step here, you can see this is a dividend. 135 is a dividend. This is a divisor, is a quotient, is a remainder. Clear? Now I am writing dividend is equal to, that means in second step 135 is a dividend, that is equal to 90 is a divisor into quotient is 1 plus remainder is 45. So second step over. After that this 45 will take as a divisor and this divisor becomes dividend 90. So 45 divides the 90 two times. 245s are 90. A remainder is 0 in this case. Now we will write in third case, third step. Now it is a dividend, is a divisor, it is dividing. 2 times is a quotient. The remainder is 0 in this case. Now I am writing here dividend 90 is equal to, okay, divisor is 45 into quotient plus 2, a remainder is 0. So this will continue up to get the remainder 0. Where you get remainder 0, in that first particular step where you get the remainder 0, so there divisor, this is a divisor. So divisor is a HCF of the given two numbers. HCF of 135 and 225 is 45. Okay, is a 45. So this is the way to find the HCF. This is a method of a division algorithm. So it is a division, ordinary division. It helps us to find the HCF. So this is general method to find the HCF. So this will help us to find the division algorithm. This is the procedure for division algorithm. Now second bit, we see the second bit. 195 and 38,220. Just a minute. Yeah, you can see here solution. So in this given two numbers, 196 is a smaller 196. With 196 I am dividing the 38,220. So 196, it is dividing the 38,220 195 times. 195 into 196, it is equal to 38,220. We are getting 0 here only in first step. Clear? So 0, no remainder. If it is the remainder is there, the division will continue. So in this case, this is called dividend. Sorry, is a divisor, is a dividend, is a quotient, and remainder. So division algorithm formula: dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Clear? Dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Now in this case, dividend is equal to divisor into quotient plus remainder. Clear? Now, so dividend is 38,220. That is equal to, the divisor is 196 into 195. The remainder is plus 0. So where we are getting the remainder is 0, in that particular step, the divisor is called HCF of the given value. So we are remainder is 0. In this case, it is a divisor. So HCF of a given two numbers, 196 and 38,200 is 196. So dear students, there is a third bit, 867 and 255. Okay, you can try, you will get very easily. Thank you.